Hi, I'm Michael Prather. I'm the Chief Technology Officer of Totelcom Communications, and today I'm going to walk you through how to change out your old ONT for your fiber to the home service to your new ONT that we're shipping out to you. So first, we need to identify our old ONT. As you can see, it's a white box, and on the bottom right-hand side, it says the word Add Train on it. That's our old ONT that we're going to be taking the cables out of today. So our first step in that is we need to look, and at the bottom of it, there's a power cable and an Ethernet cable on the very right-hand side. You may have a phone cable that's plugged in this middle port here, and if you do, you need to call our office at 254-893-1000 before you do any of the other steps. Okay, if you don't have a phone line, our next step is we're simply going to unplug our power cable from our ONT and make sure it's turned off and there's no lights on it. Okay, then we can unplug our power cable. Next step is to unplug our Ethernet cable. On the bottom side, you're going to have a little clip here that you need to push with your index finger and then simply pull it out. Now we're going to unplug our fiber jumper cable. Simply grab it with your thumb and index finger and pull it straight out. Now we can take our old ONT and just set it to the side. Our new ONT, which is this gray box here, on the back of it, there's a label that says Calyx back here. That's how you know you've got your new one in your hand. Okay. The first step we're going to do is we're going to plug in our fiber jumper. Okay. But first, I have to take out this black plastic protector that goes in that fiber port. Okay. And I'm going to look at my fiber jumper, and there's a little notch on here that indexes to the right side of this fiber port. You can see there's a little slot where those will match up. Just simply match them up and plug it in. There's going to be an audible click when you have it seated the correct way. Next, we're going to take our Ethernet jumper, okay? And notice the clip end slot on this side is facing upwards, okay? We're going to plug that in, and once again, there's going to be an audible click when we get it plugged in the correct way. If you have a phone line plugged into your old ONT, now would be the time to plug it into your new ONT. It plugs in the exact same way as the Ethernet jumper does. And then finally, we'll take our new power cable. The old power cable for your old ONT won't work. You have to use the new one and plug it into the power port. And then finally, we can plug it into our electricity source. Once we have it plugged in, you'll notice you have 4 lights that should be starting to light up on your ONT. You have your power light, your broadband light, your service light, and your Ethernet light. They may light up in different orders, but at the end of it, whenever everything's done and you're back up in service, all 4 of those lights should be working. If you have a phone line with us that's plugged into your backup ONT, that's when your phone light's going to light up as well. At that point, you're done. Make sure your internet service is working, and if for some reason something didn't go right, please call us at 254-893-1000, where we'll assist you over the phone, and if we can't get it working that way, we'll roll the tech out and get you back up in service. Thank you so much. Have a great day.